This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming permissions and intent. Use faces only if you have clear consent. Next, open Google Colab and attach a runtime with GPU to speed processing. Upload 2 high-quality images to the Colab session or mount your drive, one source, one target, so data is available. Once done, load the chosen, reputable notebook code in read-only mode and inspect model requirements. This prevents hidden behavior. Make sure to review resource limits and licensing before proceeding. Now you prepare the faces. Align key points and crop tightly to the facial region so the model has consistent input. This improves realism. Then execute the model inference in Colab using the provided cells, watching GPU memory and batching to avoid crashes. After initial outputs, refine blending parameters and color correction to harmonize skin tones and lighting. Iterative tweaks matter. Make sure to keep checkpoints and small test runs to evaluate quality without consuming excessive runtime. Finish by inspecting results closely at full resolution and validating facial alignment and artifacts. You want a natural composite without warping. Export the final image or video to your drive and retain processing logs and original sources for provenance and accountability. If artifacts or failures occur, revert to smaller tests. Simplify input images, lower batch size, or rerun preprocessing to correct misalignment. And critically, use these tools ethically. Do not create images of people without informed consent and avoid deceptive distribution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.